So this is the code you had before where you just had that first LED turn on red. I'm going to show you a few different things. The first thing I want to show you is another way to code the color red. Right now, you have this option to get down any color you want, but we also learn how to do coding with RGB. So go ahead to here to Neopixel, More, and right here, there is a red, green, blue block. So we bring that out. Right now, it is set for red to be 255, green 255, and blue 255. 255 is the maximum value you can have in bytes. So if they're all at 255, that means I have maximum red, maximum green, maximum blue, and that would actually give me white light. I'm going to change this because I only want to have red light. So I'm going to change this to 0, 0. So right now I have maximum red, no green, no blue. You can play with this. You can change this down to 100. You can change this down to 10. You can just change how much red you have. For now, we're going to leave this as 255, and you can see it's the same thing here. We're now going to write code that is going to allow us to turn on each of these LEDs in succession and also turn the previous one off. Okay? We're going to do that with a loop. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new variable called LED number. And this is going to allow me to cycle through my LED numbers. I'm going to go for my loop. And instead of having this index there, because that's hard to really understand, I'm going to bring in my LED number variable. And I want to cycle through my LEDs. Now remember, there are 12 LEDs, but the counter starts at 0. So I'm going to go from 0 to 11. And I want to bring in my code here. Okay. Now remember, I want to change my LED number. So instead of, right now it's stuck on LED 0. I need to bring in my LED variable. So go here to variable. So what that's going to do is it's going to turn them all on right now, but it happens so quickly. So let's put in a delay. We can see here, they're turning on. But I also want to turn the previous one off. So remember, to turn it off, we're going to go Neopixel, clear, and now it should turn it off.